for the Converge Fiber Xers. Borboran, no good. Here comes Rain or Shine again. Wow, Rain or Shine is relentless here, Coach Ronnie.
Babata di ba?
Oh, yeah.
Except si MB na si Mark Borboran. And perhaps Bo Delga and Joel Poncarada. But ang bata nitong team na ito.
But Santi. Over to Ildenfonso for 3. Money.
That's 11 points for Shaun Ildenfonso. So nakabuelo, naka-recover dito ang Converge kahit paano.
Ildenfonso back in the game. Ildenfonso to the cup.
This the young man who started it all.
This really struggled from downtown in this
Has
game.
not gotten an open look all match long.
That's the strength of Ildenfonso.
Para maka-atake. 10 points for Stockton. Natumalon. Oh!
Started this barrage by Rain or Shine and Lasso Painters in the first quarter, Coach Ronnie, and they didn't look back ever since.
Jumping the gun on Converge with 11 first quarter points. Very accurate three-point shooting, and then more importantly in the fourth, when Converge was making a furious fight back. Shaun Ildenfonso joining forces with Antonio Narcisio to defuse whatever uprising was being initiated by Converge.
Shaun Ildenfonso and the Rain